2-minute warning.
You know what I was thinking today? How is Damon Harrison not in the Pro Bowl? How is he not named as one of the best defensive tackles in the league? The guy is consistently in the backfield. He's consistently causing stops, stopping the running game. He's consistently putting pressure on. He's consistently played every game, but yet he doesn't make the Pro Bowl. I don't watch the Pro Bowl. I don't even like the Pro Bowl. And how they were doing it the past few years, where professional players would pick like fantasy style team, that was horrible as well. I'm more worried about the recognition. This is a guy who we picked up in free agency and has really turned our defense around. So Snacks is one of the main reasons why we're beastly on defense now. But he's not the only Pro Bowl snub. Our punter, Brad Wing, is killing the ball. He's pinning it down within the 5-yard line every time I see him, but yet he's not a Pro Bowler. I'm hoping that they weren't named because we're going to be too busy this year, because we might have ourselves a pretty deep playoff run. Thanks everyone for listening and watching in. Please check out the other links. I'll put a bunch in the descriptions. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things, and I'll talk to you later on. Peace.